According to research, we reach our maximum bone mass by the age of 30. By the time we hit our 40s, we start to lose our bone mass slowly. Men and women don't lose bone mass at the same rate. Men in their 50s don't experience as much bone loss as women in their 50s during their menopausal years. However, by the age of 65 to 70, both men and women start to lose bone mass at the same rate. There are steps we can take to avoid severe bone loss. Maintaining a healthy, balanced diet will help you build stronger bones at an early stage in life and maintain them throughout in life. Poor diet in your early life may increase your risk of conditions such as rickets and osteoporosis. In this video, we look at certain foods that you can add to your diet to promote bone health. 1. Vegetables. Vegetables are not only good for your overall health but they're also good for your bones. They are considered one of the best natural sources of vitamin C, which helps our bodies produce more cells that are responsible for bone formation. The 3 cells involved in bone formation are osteoblasts, osteocytes and osteoclasts. Vitamin C helps block the cells that break down the bone and help promote the cells that form the bones by promoting bone-building minerals such as calcium. When we have low bone mineral density or low calcium, we are at risk of developing osteoporosis, which is characterized by very brittle bones, making you susceptible to fractures. In an experiment done on women in their 50s, consuming onions frequently led to a 20% lower risk of developing osteoporosis compared to those who ate no or limited quantities of onions. Green leafy vegetables such as cabbage, bok choy, kale, collard greens, broccoli and okra are the recommended sources of vitamin C for bone health. Research has found that a low-protein diet leads to a decrease in calcium absorption, and this may affect the process of bone formation and breakdown of bones. 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a very vital role in helping your body absorb calcium, which helps grow stronger bone in children and maintain strong bones in adults. Calcium is the mineral responsible for density of the bones, and taking foods rich in vitamin D will help your body absorb the calcium needed. The best sources of vitamin D are salmon, trout, fish liver oils and mackerel. It's advised you stay away from canned tuna and other canned fish, as they may contain additives and preservatives that may be harmful to your health. For more information on canned foods, click on the link above and also in the description box below. 3. Almonds and other nuts. Most nuts contain healthy fats, proteins and nutrients such as calcium and magnesium. The recommended daily intake of magnesium is 300 mg to 500 mg daily, and 28 grams of almonds contain 20% of the recommended daily intake of magnesium. Other nuts rich in magnesium include cashew nuts and Brazil nuts. Magnesium helps in bone formation and bone strength. It increases the density of the small crystal-like that form part of the bone structure, making your bones denser and stronger. Magnesium also promotes the ability of the body to absorb calcium. 4. Prunes. According to scientific research, eating 5 prunes a day may slow down the process of bone loss and even prevent it. Prunes are loaded with minerals that are essential for bone health, including vitamin K and potassium. These mineral nutrients promote bone formation and increase bone density. 5. Avoid very low-calorie diet. Calories are very important for boosting metabolism and maintaining muscle health. You just need to eat them in the right form and the right amounts. According to science, eating fewer than 1,000 calories a day can lead to low bone density. Maintaining a healthy weight puts less pressure on the bones which support our body weight. Too much pressure on the bones leads to increased wear and tear due to the stress or weight they have to support. On the other hand, being underweight also increases your risk of osteoporosis. According to studies, bone loss experienced due to weight loss was not regained once the weight was regained. This means that repeated cycles of weight gain and weight loss will in the long run lead to significant bone loss. To protect your bones, it's advised you maintain a healthy weight throughout your life, and this can be achieved by eating enough healthy calories, including fruits and vegetables, to your diet and eating the appropriate portions. Some foods that are rich in healthy calories include avocados, sweet potatoes, beans, whole grains, fish and nuts. Bone health is essential at all stages of life, and most people tend to take it for granted because most signs and symptoms of poor bone health don't appear until later in life. Fortunately for you, you can start incorporating the ideas in this video into your lifestyle, and you can avoid some of the bone-related complications later in life. It's never too early to start practicing these healthy habits. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more videos to come.